In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up session indicator on TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll have the trading session indicator on your chart so you can quickly see when the Asian, London, and New York sessions are active, super helpful for spotting volatility and timing your trades. First, open the TradingView app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, a quick update from your app store helps keep the interface consistent with what you'll see here. Once it's open, make sure you're on a chart-ready screen, and if you prefer more room, rotate your device to landscape so the toolbar is easier to reach. Next, look along the bottom of the app and tap Charts. This takes you to your main charting view. Pick any symbol and time frame you like. The indicator will overlay whatever chart you currently have open. If your chart looks cluttered, you can pinch to zoom or switch to a clean layout before adding the indicator just to see its shading more clearly. Now, tap the Indicators button on the bottom toolbar. On some devices, the toolbar hides while you're scrolling. If you don't see it, tap once on the chart to reveal it again. The Indicators button opens a searchable list of built-in studies and any favorites you've saved. In the search bar at the top, type Trading Session. You should see the built-in Trading Session indicator appear in the results. Tap it once to add it to your chart. You'll immediately notice shaded regions highlighting different market sessions. This visual cue makes it easy to align your strategy with periods of typical liquidity and momentum. If you want to fine-tune it, tap the small gear icon next to the indicator's name to adjust which sessions are shown, change colors for better contrast with your theme, or sync session times to your preferred time zone. When you're done, return to the chart and confirm the sessions display clearly across your chosen time frame. That's it. You've added the trading session indicator on TradingView Mobile. If you ever want to hide or remove it, just revisit the indicators menu and toggle it off, keeping your workspace as clean or as detailed as you need.